Morning, guys. Remember I told you guys I was over at Walmart. You guys knew about Walmart looking for meat. So I never find nothing over there. So next day I'm over at Food for Less and people could find something. But I only buy meat when it's on sale. So let's go in and see what we find. We got some cucumber, like 3 for 99 cents. I think I'm gonna get me 3 of those. 3 of them right here and see. It's good for the salad, you know. 3 for 99 cents, okay. And then I get a piece of ribs, pork ribs. Only me and Joshua eat this, so this is for me. Not too bad, like $7.42. So I gotta find something for the wife. Let's go on and see what we find. See this little avocado here? I don't buy. This is 99 cents for 1 avocado. And then I think you got the bigger one over here. The price in these right here, these are $2.79 for one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, $2.79 for one, folks. Papaya, 99 cents a pound. I eat this now and again because if you buy papaya like this, it's maybe like almost 4 pounds. That's nearly $5 just for one papaya. And I think it's ridiculous, but if you want it, you buy it. If you don't want it, just leave it alone. And sometimes I'm afraid to buy these mangoes because when you get them, sometimes they're black inside of it. But let's go and see if I find meat that I want. Maybe not. Maybe I find it. Maybe I don't. So let's see if we got it. This one is almost $10. I think. Let's see what they got. These are where they got the one mark done, but I might try some. This one I'm talking about. It's still not cheap, but $14.80 to $11.04. I think I get me a wing because they drop it from me. This usually like $16, but they drop the price. I guess when they sit there for a while, they drop the price. These are the things that I buy. Okay, I'm looking for heavy cream. My wife want to make something out of heavy cream, so let's see if I could find it. Heavy cream. Oh, it's not there. Oh, I saw it. I see it right down here. Right down here. Okay. This is $5.99. You can see the price of right down in the corner. And then, let's see. Starbucks iced coffee. Nah, it's not really. Okay. And I think I need to get me some hot pepper. Let's see. The foil. Down here. So I think I need the 500. Let's see. Wow, it's the, what's this? Oh, the 200 square foot. That's with one oil. so that I get, now that I get some hot, so I get some wings, I gotta get me some hats. So let's see which one I get. 6 range. I'm looking for the cheapest one. They call me cheaper, but that's all right. So the cheapest one would be $4.29, because I got one down there for $4.49. But I'm good. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's it. And it's sweet. And it's sweet. Let's see. Versus hickory smoke. Oh, this is good.
Hello.
Let me get out your way.
Not a problem. Thank you so much.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You know I could find club soda?
Club soda?
Yeah. Is it gonna be?
See, I don't know. Is there some? What kind of? What are you looking for? Like in a 6-pack or something?
No, just in a bottle.
Yeah, I don't know. There might be some.
Right behind me over there.
Other than that, there's a soda aisle down there that
I don't think
would have it.
Maybe it's back there, huh?
I don't think the soda aisle would have club soda, but they might have some bottles right there. What you doing, man? Drinking straight up?
You look
club
just
soda?
like my. You look like my wife, uncle.
All right, man. I thought you was gonna say your wife, brother.
Huh?
I almost thought you were gonna say your wife.
You look.
What's going on there? What's happening?
Oh no! What I do, I tape stuff for YouTube, and just show them. Right now, I'm just telling them what I'm buying and different things.
Oh, sweet, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you're like an influencer guy, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, right on.
yeah. So that's what I'm doing, and
Oh, okay.
like meet you, I talk to you, and
Yeah.
you know. So how your day's going so far?
You know, it's good.
Good?
Good. Got it started early. Didn't sleep last night. Woke up. I said, let me go to the store, get this stuff knocked out, you know.
What keep you up?
What kept me up?
You said that you didn't sleep last
I
night?
didn't sleep, man. I went to sleep. But, you know, I'm the sole caregiver for my 90-year-old mom.
Oh,
She'll be
okay.
turning 91 on New Year's Eve. So, you know, that keeps me going and stuff. So sometimes I can't, you know.
Okay.
Gotta take care of this stuff. But then I like to get out early and do stuff while she's sleeping, you know.
You're like me, I like to come out early, get my stuff done, and get out of here. Yeah. So what's your name?
My name's Ken.
Ken?
Ken, yeah.
Nice meeting you, Ken. My name is Joe.
Joe?
Yeah, nice
Pleasure.
meeting you, man. Alrighty. So,
Club soda. You're gonna find it here somewhere.
I gotta look. Thank you, Kit.
All right, thank you, man.
All
You have a
righty.
good day.
Derek. Hey, where do I find club soda?
Yo, you got over your video and this stuff. How you doing?
Pretty good. Where do I find club soda?
Club soda, aisle 6.
Is it back by the soda?
There should be some club soda
Oh,
over here too.
Over there?
I think so. Right near. Let me check. I think there's some tonic water, club soda.
Yes.
It used to be.
I'm
over
trying
here.
to. Barbara just told me she wants some of that, but I don't know where to find it.
Tonic water, something.
I don't know where to find that, Derek.
There we go.
Oh, these?
Yeah, club soda, right there.
It's only one. I think this be good.
Okay.
It's okay.
Sure, that's club.
Okay.
You got tonic
It's
water.
good.
Oh, good.
Not too sure. I don't buy liquor, so I could never. Alrighty, I think I'm ready. Oops. Where you at? Okay. Load them up? Okay. I'm showing the folks that I only buy the wings when it's on sale.
Yeah, that's $7.
Yeah, first about 16
You can't beat that. What is that? Oh, somebody pushed the boxes.
versus $16. Okay, folks, that's what I'm buying. Okay, let me pay for this. And
Are you gonna cook that today? I'm just asking because I want to know where to put it away at.
No, not today. Maybe
Not
tomorrow.
today? Let me get a bag for it then.
Watch. And you can kill me for this, but I buy it anyway.
What about it?
Some shrimp.
What about it? What's that?
Some shrimp.
Why would I kill you for that? That's shrimp.
As you say, keep it expensive. It's like 9 something, £9.45, $10.
So in Belize we call these Marie biscuit, right? But over here, or maybe in Belize too, the proper name is Marias.
I lost one of my cucumber.
How did you lose a whole?
Tree.
Did you have another bag?
Must have been the truck tree for.
It's probably in the truck indeed. Anyways, I don't like s'mores. I'm really, really weird. Joe, do you like s'mores?
Huh?
You like s'mores?
What's
You
that?
know what it is, right?
What's that?
That thing with the graham crackers and the chocolate and the marshmallow.
No.
They do it at the campfire. They make like a sandwich. I don't like s'mores, but it's really weird because I like graham crackers by itself. I like chocolate by itself, and I like marshmallows by itself. Right? I think it's a combination thing. So I tried like just putting chocolate with the graham crackers. I didn't like it. I tried putting just marshmallows with the graham crackers. I didn't like it. So it wasn't until we tried it with Marie biscuits. You can ask Josh. Maybe in the next video he'll tell you. Oh my God, Joel. The Marie biscuits is sturdy. It holds up really, really good. It's not breaking on you. It doesn't have that cinnamon taste that graham crackers have. And so I think it's the cinnamon that throws off the chocolate for me. You know what I mean? And I like all those things. I just don't like certain combinations. So we always have to have a box of these on hand. Thank you, boo. Did you get the club soda or whatever?
Yeah, I'll make Jerry come and get it for me because I couldn't find it.
That's because you don't drink liquor.
That's what I told Jerry. I don't drink liquor, so I couldn't find this. This is what Bob's want to do with that heavy cream, folks.
What are you doing with that hat?
Eh?
What are you doing with that
This
hat?
is my lucky hat. That should be all right.
Okay, whatever. Take as much as you want. I know.
You good?
Bring should be all right.
Whatever the kids bring, yeah. Joe,
Yeah,
that man looked exactly like Philip.
I know, huh?
Philip is my aunt's husband, and he's the reason why we met, right, Joe?
That's right.
Because you knew him.
And I saw the guy. I said, man, this guy looked like Philip. So
Even the way he like looks under his glass or above his glasses.
So I said, let me talk to this guy, and he was friendly.
He has a backstory. Is he white? Was he white? I couldn't pick up what he was. He's kind of like Philip.
Huh?
You can't, Philip, tell everybody he's Italian.
Maybe mixed like Philip. I don't know.
But you know what? He was friendly. Jory sneezed just now. He was friendly, and when he started to talk, he talked just like Philip.
Yeah.
When he said, right on, that's how Philip talked.
Yeah. So you're like an influencer guy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, right on.
Like from the 1970s.
That's Philip lost brother.
Oh my God, that's his doppelganger.
You know, see that guy where show you look like me?
Yeah.
And he was going on just the way I going.
I know on the internet.
Yeah.
They say everybody has a doppelganger. You know what happens when the doppelgangers meet, right? I sent the picture to Effie because I did a side-by-side. And I know in the side-by-side we don't have Philip with the full beard, but Philip used to have a beard like that.
Right.
And then in one of the pictures, Philip's not wearing the glasses. But, oh my God.
Well, they look alike. That's why I said I gotta talk to this guy because, man, he looked like Philip to me.
You really have a knack, though, Joe, to be out there talking to the common man, and they respond to you. The man, how old do you think that man was?
By the age of Philip.
Philip is in his 70s. You think the man in his...
His mother is 90-something.
Mother gonna be 91 on New Year's Eve.
Right.
You know what? He said, so you're an influencer. I'm like, look at that. Look at that. 2 old people know about influencing.
You'd be surprised. A lot of these old people know more than us. In fact, I ain't gonna put myself old because I'm not old.
Oh, thank you, boo. Well, go on and fix your son's bike.
You see my son? I'm as young as my son. Come here, my son. He's shy. Shy for what? I don't know.
All
Okay,
right. So Joe's gonna be fixing a
I gotta
flat
fix his
tire.
bike. He got a flat tire. Folks, see you guys next video.